Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the tail light or the light bulbs on a Chevy Captiva. This one is a 2014 model, but it's the same, I think, all the way from 2012 until present. So what you need to do, you need to go to the side that you need to replace. In our case it will be the left one, but it's the same procedure for both. Right there, there is one screw with a Phillips screwdriver that we need to remove, and one on the bottom. We already got them loose, so we can save you some time. And next, what we need to do is we need to pull the light towards the back. It comes right off. And now that's where the light bulbs are. This one is for reverse if you need to replace it. So what you need to do is you just turn it to the left, counterclockwise, like that, about quarter revolution. And this one is for the turn signal, right here. It should be yellow, right there. And the other two are for the brake light. This for the brake light and the dim light. And this is for the dim light as well. If you need to replace it, you just unhook it right there, the whole assembly, and you pull the tail light out of there. Now when you put it back together, you need to make sure that these two guides right here, this one and this one, go in these holes. This is what's guiding the tail light to go back in where it's supposed to be. And you install the screws, and that's the whole procedure for replacing the tail light or the bulbs on Chevy Captiva. Thank you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.